Hello there, Noobslayer69 X. Welcome to the game of life. An incredible adventure awaits you. A world full of meaningful choices, an ever-changing map and intricate mechanics no one really understands. You chose super easy mode and just spawned as a Caucasian male on the European server. Your first objective is to survive and thrive by sucking some nippies now and then. Life is good. Before you jump ahead and start exploring the tutorial zone, let me explain the most important gameplay mechanic to you: leveling up. In the game of life, there are three main ways to level up and grow your character. Let's begin with the aging mechanic. The game of life uses a passive level system called aging. Each year, you will gain one level, regardless of your playstyle. Each new level unlocks new systems and mechanics for you to explore, with a huge milestone being level 18, which not only grants you access to high-level zones, but advanced mechanics like taxes, alcoholism, and crippling depression. The second part of leveling up your character is the attribute system. You may already have noticed some numbers on your character sheet. These numbers were randomly generated and based on your parents' stats, giving you a basic overview about how fucked you are in life. Now there are 6 main stats that you can invest in. Vitality, which is very popular on the NA server and determines your HP values. Strength, if you want to do some PvP and bully other players at school. Dexterity, if you want to run away from bullies at school. Intelligence, if you want to build rockets and fly to Mars. Spirit, this one can be a bit elusive, but generally indicates your understanding of body, religion and mind. And Charisma, which is only important if you want to get laid. Additionally, there's a hidden stat called Luck, which grants you a chance to roll good loot and favorable ability checks. Nothing I would know about though. The third and last level up mechanic is the ability system. Abilities are the real meat of the game. As a beginner, you will start with eating, sleeping and occasionally defecating on yourself. But as time goes on, you will unlock more useful skills, although sleeping will always be your favorite. In theory, there's an infinite amount of abilities for you to discover and combine. If you're really good, you might even develop brand new ones that you can then use to conquer the leaderboards. Well, at least in theory. And that's already it. Enjoy your existence as a low-level scrub. Just between the both of us, it won't get much better. I'll leave you alone for now. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel so I can explain more mechanics later down the line. Till then, and always remember, game on!